Hi, let me share the brief history of recruitment. The history of recruiting as a profession started in the days of human civilization when people were recruited for hunting, farming, and building, but particularly for the military. Modern recruiting as a profession launched in the late 1800s and early 1900s during the Industrial Revolution. During the Industrial Revolution, the need for skilled and unskilled laborers were rapidly intensified. This particular increase in jobs required more efficient ways to fill them, and thus the recruiting field actually launched. During the World War I and World War II, the need for many workers to support the war effort led to the creation of government run employment agencies. In the 1950s and 1960s, the rise of large corporations led to the development of in house human resource departments who recruited and hired new employees. This marked the beginning of professionalism of the recruiting field. As a profession, recruiters began to specialize in different industries and job functions. Then later in 1980s and 90s, the advent of new technologies such as internet and social media led to a new era of recruiting. This made it easier for recruiting agencies to reach a wider pool of candidates and for job seekers to find and apply for jobs. Today, the recruiting profession continues to evolve and adapt to new technologies and change in the job market. Recruitment department has evolved so much over the years that the recruiting industry is constantly evolving along with the tools we use to do this job. These new trends impacting the recruiting industry in the coming years, like AI, computer automation, remote work, virtual recruiting, employee branding, recruiting market, and data analytics. Today, the recruiting profession continues to evolve and adapt to new technologies and change in the job market. Recruiters use a variety of digital tools and techniques to find the best candidates. Now, within the recruitment, there are multiple departments like headhunters, talent scouters, talent sources. All these departments are collectively working within the recruitment department. So, the recruitment department itself has evolved so much over the years.